Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Catizen, how the listing date is set, and also how you can earn some points. So on Catizen, you want to go ahead to the earn section. You want to then scroll down until you see join news channel here. So let's go here and join Catizen announcement. Now we're gonna scroll down until we see when they are listing this. So for example, on Innovation Zone, Caddy will be listed on September 20th. So it's like MEXX where you can trade, like a trading platform. So this is one date. And here is some announcements. So to claim your airdrop and withdraw it, you will be available on September 21st, as you may see here. So that's like a listing date. And as you can see, to connect your wallet, you can do a BitGet wallet check-in and Bybit Web3 wallet check-in. So these are two wallets which are already here. And here it is: Bybit listing, BitGet listing, Gate.io, KuCoin, OKX, and so on and so forth. So we can go ahead and connect there. We need to wait a little bit to connect our wallet specifically here. But basically that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.